Hi, my name is Carl James, owner of Creole Soul Catering located in Round Rock, Texas, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to show you a Creole potato salad. Okay, now we're at the point we want to peel our potato for our Creole potato salad. And if you like, you can use a knife. I'm doing it all wrong because I'm cutting toward my finger with a knife, and the last thing you'd want is just to slip. And then your potato salad would actually have a little of me in it. Well, at least mine would. Anyway, when you use a knife, for me, you just take off too much of the potato. So I like to use a potato peeler because it takes off just the skin so you're not losing a lot. Now, you know, it's up to you. You can leave the jacket on the potato if you like. But we're going to keep peeling this because we're going to use it peeled. But yeah, you can leave the jacket on, make it with the jacket. And like I said earlier, there are recipes that you can use the little baby potatoes, and you can do those whole. So we'll just get the skin off, and it's okay if you leave a little bit of the skin on there. They don't have to be absolutely perfect unless you want to take the time and make them that way. If you've got time, do what you like. Anyway, so here's our potato all peeled. And what we'll do next is get this cooking and softening up so we can use it in our Creole potato salad.